Hi guys, just a quick video. I have this British power arm clone made by HydraClamp. This is the mechanic version, and it's similar to a supervised design. So you have this ball with a universal thread, in this case width were fine, 1/2 inch, and it's similar to how the supervised works. You have a machined surface here, so the ball goes in, and when the ball gets pressed upwards it locks on this surface there, and you can in this case just rotate it 90 degrees, but you can rotate the whole thing. So basically you have 360 degrees and 180 this way. So then you have the base where this goes in, like so, and as I said, you can rotate it and swivel it. And then you have a little hole for a set screw here, right there, and you have the base plate which has a set screw mark here, and this has a thread cut in, and you have this bolt with a big hex which has no real meaning, but it's so you can adjust it from the outside. So you screw this in, and you need to fine adjust this once it's in. And on top you have this brass cup which matches the ball diameter, so it glides, the ball glides on this brass or bronze thingy, then falls down. So let's see, so I can show it here. So it glides on this. So let's put this back together, and then we just lower this down here and turn it around and put the set screw back in. Oh, I put it in the wrong way. Okay, that explains. So actually goes that way. There's probably for a spanner or something, I don't know. So let's do it again. Put this on top. You don't want any grease on this because it's a fit here, a tight fit, so if you grease this it's gonna slide, so you need to keep this probably ungreased. And the hole for the set screw is there, and so we just lower this down and turn it around, and yeah, it fits. So set screw goes in. It's of course not metric, why would it be? And luckily I have this Torx set because they fit, so I can get this in with Torx. The hex keys don't. I don't, of course, have, I only have metric, because why would I have anything else? So, and then you have this really big clip which holds the whole thing inside, and it was really sketchy to get this out. I used this wood in the end to keep it from hitting my face, but I guess getting it back in should be easier. So let me get this back in. So if we put this in and pre-compress that, like so. Oh, the max sketchiness here. So now that we got it all back together, let's see how you need to adjust it to get it working properly. So right now it's all loose, and of course we want it to get tight. So we did see the hex. So the idea is for this to like so, and obviously right now it doesn't do anything. Now you can loosen the set screw and rotate this with a spanner. Okay, so you want to screw it out a bit. Yeah, it's getting tight here, so let's rotate this another 90 degrees, like so. What is it? Oh yeah, this is good. So let's tighten this up again, like so. Okay, and now we have it moving here. Maybe it's a little bit sticky, and then it's tight if we, let's see, right now, yeah, it could move a little bit further to the loose side, so let's do that. Let's loosen this up just a tiny little bit. Loosening up means this way, I guess, like so. Is this too much? I think it's too much. Let's see if we... Oh yeah, that's better. That is, now we have it well adjusted, I guess. So yeah, this is how it works. Similar to the Super Swivel. They all kinda work, all swivel mounts work like that. They have a ball here, and then you need to fix the ball to something, and usually they press the ball against something. There's a different design where this thing moves and presses on the ball, but has the benefit of the weight of whatever is mounted on top sits on the base, which doesn't move, and you just clamp this part goes down and clamps the ball. But I kinda like this design more because you can do stuff like that. This is a HydraClamp, and there's also a hydraulic version where this isn't mechanical but hydraulic actuated. So yeah, it's kinda a simple design, but kinda nice to work with. So I just need to get something mounted on top, and probably a small vise, and then I have a nice swivel base. So this is it for today.